What if a superfruit can naturally turn all your sour and tart fruits, foods, and drinks into sweet-tasting desserts and snacks without any added sugar or sweetener at all? And what if the same superfruit can help manage blood sugar as well as cravings for sugar? Introducing MiraBurst Miracle Berry Tablet, made from nature's unique superfruit called the miracle berry. It temporarily alters the taste buds, making sour or tart fruits, foods, and drinks taste sweet without any added sugar or sweetener. This superfruit works by tricking the mind to perceive sour or tart as sweet. Place a MiraBurst tablet on your tongue. Let it completely dissolve on your tongue. Enjoy your sour or tart food or drink. MiraBurst enhances the taste of several diabetic superfoods recommended by the American Diabetic Association. It enhances the natural sweet taste of healthy fruit salads and turns them into sweeter, more delicious ones to enjoy as snack or dessert. With MiraBurst, unsweetened yogurt parfait turns into a healthy, deliciously sweet snack or dessert. Fruit and green smoothies with fruits become naturally sweeter and more delicious to enjoy. Lemon water, or even apple cider vinegar and lemon water, turn into a sugar-free lemonade. As a superfruit, MiraBurst contains polyphenols and other antioxidants that help manage blood sugar levels. It also helps manage cravings for sugar by retraining the taste buds to get used to less sugar. Whether you're a diabetic or a borderline diabetic, MiraBurst is surely a game changer for all. For a limited time only, try MiraBurst today for free to appreciate the miracle of nature. Available at MiraBurst.com.